Greetings to everyone. Welcome in another movie from our series presenting our products. Today, in today's movie, we will present some useful information about piston pumps by HYVA. Piston pumps are suitable for hydraulic systems which are working with much higher pressures for a longer period of time with higher temperatures. Especially for hydraulic systems which are used on cranes, hook loaders, all sorts of drives for liquid or gas tankers, and also for walking floors. Piston pumps offered by HYVA are bent axis type of pumps. This design assures low level of noise during operation, but also increases the efficiency of the pump in terms of generated heat. This in turn improves the temperature of oil in a longer operation and decreases the risk of oil overheating while a longer operation. In the front part of the pump we can see the drive part of the pump with double bearings. This allows to use these pumps on both types of the PTO, either with additional bearings or with so-called loose wheel without bearings. The middle part, in this part we can find the piston barrel and the pistons. Depending on the size and the type of the pump in our offer, we can find between 5 and 7 pistons. The more pistons we use, the more quiet operation we get. At the same time, the delivery of pressure is much smoother without any sudden peaks of pressure. In the middle part of the housing, we will find plugs. These plugs are used while installation of the pump in order to fill the oil before the first running of the pump. So this plug needs to be taken off. The pump needs to be filled with hydraulic oil so that it is not running dry during the startup. In the front part we will find a draining system, also well known from other types of our pumps. This system is supposed to stop any oil transfer from the hydraulic part into the gearbox in case of any sudden damage of the pump or overheating of the pump. Also in situation when the seals are already worn out after some years of exploitation, when we receive the internal leakage, the first indication of the leakage will be noticed by oil gathering in the tube. It is a sign that we should inspect the pump or it's high time to repair the pump. Piston pumps by HYVA are birotational. However, we need to make sure that the rear plate is mounted according to our requirements of rotation direction. To change the rotation direction, we need to untighten these 4 bolts on the rear plate and rotate the rear plate by 180 degrees. On the side of the housing, you will find arrows. So depending on the rotation direction on the drive shaft, we need to change the plate so that the symbols are matching correct rotation direction. This is very carefully and precisely described in the mounting instruction attached to the pump. HYVA piston pumps delivered as standard are suitable to work on the PTOs mounted on the gearbox. However, some models can be also mounted on the engine PTOs for the applications which require constant operation while driving. To do so, some models of our pumps are equipped with a rear cover on which we can mount additional bypass valve, which allows to use the pump while driving the vehicle and while mounting this pump on engine PTO. On every piston pump you will be able to find type plate with several useful information. First of all, this is part number. Then below you will find serial number, and in the last row you will find all information about working parameters of given pump. So in the first window we can see pump displacement. In this case it is 108 liters. In general, HYVA provides pumps up to 110 liters per minute. Then we can see pressures. This is intermittent working pressure, 370 bars. And then we can see the pressure at which this pump can work continuously, which is 350 bars. And in the last window we will find maximum RPM which is allowed for this pump. Basically, HYVA pumps can work with continuous pressure up to 350 bars. Piston pumps in general, because of their design, are much more sensitive for the quality of oil. With piston pumps, it is highly recommended to use oils of highest quality. High quality of oil assures that throughout the complete temperature range of work, the oil has the same working parameters. As minimum, we also recommend to use filters in the hydraulic system together with the piston pump. The piston pump is much more sensitive also for contamination in the oil. So as minimum, we recommend to use the return filters. In some cases, we also strongly suggest to use pressure filters. Pressure filters are recommended especially in some applications where the oil is supplied to complicated distributor valve banks, especially for cranes, where every contamination of the valve bank can cause some malfunction and in turn can cause some serious costs needed to repair such valves. Also, we need to consider the temperature of oil in our hydraulic system. Piston pumps can be used with oil up to 70 degrees. If the oil in the system exceeds this value, it is highly recommended to consider usage of oil coolers. From our experience, we can conclude that very often a mistake made by our customers is a replacement of the pump on a used truck where the previous pump was worn out or damaged. In such case of replacement of the pump, it is absolutely crucial to replace the hydraulic oil. And before replacing the oil, it is very important to clean the hydraulic system from all possible parts left from the previous pump. In some applications, it is necessary to consider the oil temperature. In some demanding applications, like for cranes or for unloading silo trailers or for walking floors in some cases, where the oil is likely to be overheated, it's necessary to use oil coolers. Either electrical oil coolers, or in case of ADR related vehicles, we use very often compact oil cooler called HYVA. Thank you for your attention. I kindly invite you to follow our next movies with our tips and instructions. For more details, please contact HYVA or please visit our website hyva.com.